Let's talk about electrician pay in Zimbabwe. The average salary of an electrician in Zimbabwe is $4,300 a year. This average annual gross salary drops after tax to $3,400, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $283 every month. While average electrician pay is lower in rural spots, electrician wages in Harare reach $4,100 after tax, but higher rent in the capital often eats up that extra cash. Starting out, an entry-level electrician income sits well below this mark, though pay goes up quickly once you gain basic skills. If you do not move into a supervisory role later, your earnings will plateau. On top of that, having a university degree makes a huge difference because it helps you move into higher paying positions like electrical engineer or project manager. Finally, small local firms pay the least, whereas international employers offer substantially higher rewards to their staff.